Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp contact button to your Blogger website. So this is the button that we're going to add in the Blogger website. Here we can see we have this WhatsApp button on the bottom right corner of the screen, and when we hover over this button, we can see we have this text displayed over here, contact us. And if you click on this button, you are taken to this screen over here, and if you're using a smartphone to click on that button, then it will prompt to open the WhatsApp application. And when you open the WhatsApp application, you will be taken to a screen where you can chat with this number directly. And if you're using a desktop, you will have this page right here, and if you click on continue to chat, you'll have this option over here called use WhatsApp web, and if you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page over here, and you can open the WhatsApp application on your mobile phone and just scan this QR code, and you'll be taken to the WhatsApp screen where you can start chatting with the number. So this is what we're going to add in our Blogger website. And we also have an animation when the page loads. So let's refresh this page, and we can see that this button fades up from the bottom. Now if you want to learn how to design this button from scratch, I have a video on that. I will leave the link in the description of this video. So let's get started. This is the Blogger website where we're going to add our WhatsApp contact button. So let's go to the dashboard of our Blogger website, and we are using a theme that comes by default with Blogger. So if I go over here to theme, this is the theme that I'm using, Contempo. Alright, so now let's go ahead and click on this arrow and then click on edit HTML. Now this is the theme code of our website. So let's scroll all the way to the bottom, and we'll paste our code just before the body ends. So I'll just make some space over here, and let's go to the source code. So this is the source code of our button. I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video, so you can just copy and paste it. And here we can see this is our button, and you have to change this number over here. So you can replace this with your phone number which you want to add on your website. And also don't forget to add the country code. So you can just add your country code over here and then the phone number. And you can go ahead and change the text to whatever you want over here. And if you want to change some of the styles, you can go over here to style.css, and you can make the changes over here. Now one of the main things that you may need to change is the positioning. So here we can see we have added the right position to 30, and the bottom position is over here 24. So you can go ahead and change these values to whatever you want. And if you want this button to be on the top, you can change bottom to top. So you can go over here and replace bottom with top. And if you want the button to be on the left side, you can just go ahead and replace right with left. And there are some other styles over here as well. You can go ahead and change the color of the button and all of these things over here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and copy this HTML from here. So I'll just copy this division, and let's go back to our theme code, and we'll just paste the HTML over here. Alright, now the next thing we need to add is the CSS. So let's go back and let's go to style.css, and let's copy all the CSS from here, and let's scroll up, and we'll find the CSS of our theme. So this is all the CSS of our theme. Let's go to the end of the CSS. So it is right here. Let's add a comment. I'll just type WhatsApp button, and let's paste the CSS right here. Alright, the CSS has been added. Now the last thing we need to add is the Font Awesome CDN. So let's go back to our source code, and let's go to index.html, and here we can see we have the link for the Font Awesome. Font Awesome is where we are getting the icon from. So let's copy this, and let's go back, and we have to paste it in the head section. So let's scroll up, and this is the head section. So let's go over here and paste the link. Now let's go ahead and click on save. Now let's go back to our website, and let's refresh this page. And we can see that our WhatsApp button is being displayed over here. And when we hover over this button, we don't have the animation that we added. And when we click on the button, we don't have anything happening. Now one of the problems may be that the Z index may be less than the other elements of our website. So let's right click over here and click on inspect. Let's scroll down, and this is our WhatsApp button container. Let's go ahead and add a Z index. So let's type Z index, and we'll just add a Z index of 500. Now Z index is basically how your website elements are arranged. So if you have a higher Z index, the element will be above all the other elements. Now let's hover over this button, and now we can see that the button is interactable. So now let's add the Z index to our theme code. So let's go back over here and let's go to the CSS. So here's the CSS for the button. Let's go ahead and type Z index of 500. And let's save the theme. So let's go back to our website and let's refresh the page. And here we have the WhatsApp button. Let's click on that. And you are taken to this screen over here, and you already know how it works. So that's basically how you add a WhatsApp contact button to your Blogger website. So I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.